been a great show this year. Talking to people about the addition of perimeter protection, getting a push notification through to your phone when somebody's on the perimeter of your property rather than already inside. On a driveway, protecting a nice car, pairing that up then with the integration of one of the Wi-Fi cameras that we offer. Literally gives them that bit more. It's been of real interest to people. A lot of existing Enforcer users coming on and liking that they've got something that they can sell in addition to customers who they've already got. So it's a new add-on and a new feature for existing app users on the Enforcer or the Euro panel. But it also brings in a lot of new business.
IFSEC's a great opportunity for us to engage with new and existing customers, so it's been great. We've had a lot of footfall to the stand, seeing our new solutions in action that we'll be launching in the next couple of months. We talk to installers about how we can grow their business with them, how we can deliver value through the platforms and solutions we offer. So the Pyronix Cloud, the Enforcer, the video verification tied in with the external detectors and the cameras is really how we're delivering that growth platform. You get a lot of retention with end users and a recurring revenue model which a lot of our installers are enjoying.
How have the installers responded to having these added value services?
I think we really changed the market 2 or 3 years ago when we put the Wi-Fi module into the Enforcer for free. We're now seeing thousands of systems connected a month. We're seeing the installers responding by connecting those systems and getting customers to renew as part of their service offering or as an upsell advantage. So, installers are responding really, really well to what we're bringing to the market.
Perimeter protection, the growth platform, what have customers responded to?
They've responded well to the video verification. It's been a good response to the integration, especially how it's all come together. On the Pro Control, the 3 cameras, the dome camera obviously is most important, especially with our external detector. I mean, we've always had the recurring revenue on the cloud, so that's always been a bonus, but now they've got another offering with the video verification. Installers really like that aspect.
Also understand we've got a lot of literature, there's the true partnership, as well as the video cards. I understand the video cards have gone down well.
The video cards are really well. For them, when they're going around the property, all they're doing is quoting, the customer sat there not really doing anything. Now they've got a video card, they can show the customer there, they know exactly what the app does, the Pro Control, and it's another great selling point.
We pride ourselves in delivering to our customers a higher level of service. That's what we get across in our true partnership commitment. We want to build a lasting relationship with our partners. That includes support on marketing, on sales, on various point of sale equipment as well. So that's really how we differentiate ourselves in the market.
So overall a very successful and busy show.
Absolutely.